Good morning, guys. I just went outside before to go into the main compartment or the main areas of, where the bathroom is and the kitchen is. And I met this guy that I keep running into around this time. It's like midday. And he was like, "Hey, dude, when you're done properly waking up, come and join me, hang out in my room." So I'm gonna go take a shower now that I'm done speaking to my mom. Got a little update about her life, how her life is going. So gonna take a shower in this place. They have a bathtub too. I'm gonna soak in one of these days. But yeah, shower first, and then some hangout. This guy is privately minded though, so I can't really film his room. Hi, Misa. Wow. Quack, quack. They like me, these kitties. Quack, quack. Wow. The big guy is named Jess. This girl, she's named Nikki. Jess and Nikki. She's only 1 year. Jess is 4. I always pet him, especially Jess. He really likes me. Oh, shower time. Sägs Kette. Alright guys, it's shower time. When you use these places that a lot of people use, you gotta keep something like this on. You don't want no foot fungi. I'm ready. A microfiber towel here. Let's go. That booster was kind of shit, but this one goes hard. I'm definitely gonna get this red berry booster again. Well, I'm gonna go hang out with my friend now. See you guys. Guys, I hung out with another one of the residents here. It's nice getting to know these people, man. Are you crazy? I've been talking a lot these past few days. I know you don't really get to see it, but you can see how it's gotten later for sure. I've definitely been hanging out. Just making some tea now. Did some dishes. The responsible thing. And I've just been petting with Jess. I'm gonna make some food soon. I offered my friend who lives here. I don't know why this door keeps opening. I offered my friend, a guy I know from 10 years ago. I offered him to cook some dinner for him today. So let's see if he takes me up on the offer. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my coffee cup and what do you call it, my mug. Drink some tea, relax, wait for him to hit me up. I'm having some dark chocolate and tea. I'm about to chill out in my cave.
Starting a business means wearing many hats. Designer, marketer, manager, while chasing your vision. Shopify powers millions of businesses with tools to build beautiful stores, create content, and market with ease. From inventory to shipping, everything runs smoothly. If you're ready to sell, you're ready for Shopify. Sign up for your €1 trial today at
Guys, the others, they were making sushi and they were fucking up the rice, so I showed up and then I made perfect sushi rice. Saving the evening. I also made the chicken schnitzel with pasta and béarnaise sauce. So I ate that first, then I started eating sushi while making it, and now we invited a woman here that we invited on the first day I was here to have sushi with us one of these days. So yeah, we're just eating sushi. I just met another guy who lives here as well. I'm slowly meeting everyone. Look who's out here. I don't know if you can see the eyes. I think it's Nikki, a female cat. Just out taking a break, smoking a cigarette. And Yes has his female friend here. It's a good evening. We've cleaned up everything. We're ready to go out and chill now. Watch a movie or something. Make some tea. This is the second time in my life I'm having white tea. 8 years, a little over 8 years after I tried it the first time. It's nice. I like it. Hey, miss, kan la min jag va, miss? Det var live min jag. Det gider jeg ikke. Hey! Kan du så opføre dig ordentligt, miss?